All right, guess what time it is? It's math time. Did you know I would rather do math than take a bath? Ha! There's a good rhyme for you. Okay, first thing I want you to do, you got this worksheet right here. It has the number lesson 23 on it. It says draw draw 9 birds. So I want you to draw 9 birds in this thing. Now don't make them big, make them little. And if you don't know how to make a bird, just make a little circle with a triangle in the middle of it for a face. Anyway, you need 9 of them. So pause, and then draw 9 birds and then come back to me. Okay, so you should have 9 birds on here. Now I want you to draw enough worms so each bird gets 1. So worms, just a little line or kind of oval for worms, and you have to, if each bird is going to get 1, then how many worms are you going to draw? 9. Then it says to draw an extra worm. So you need to draw an extra worm on there. Then it says how many worms are there? Write that number. So count how many worms there are and write that number. That gets us ready for our lesson for today. So you can pause and get this done. Make sure your name gets on it, so when you turn it in I know whose it is. And you can pause and then come back. Okay, now let's do a little bit of game playing here. I am going to show you a number, and I want you with your hands to show me a number that is the number that is 1 more. So here is, I'm showing you 1, so you should be showing me 2. Okay, I'm showing you 4, so you should be showing me 5. I'm showing you 8, so you should be showing me 9. I'm showing you 5, so you should be showing me 6. All right, now I've got I've got a big dice here. I roll the dice, and you shout out what number is more than that. 1 more than this. So you should be saying 7. You should be saying 3. You should be saying 5. Remember, we're doing 1 more. 2. 4. Nice. Okay, so that gets us ready for what we're going to be doing here. I forgot to check to make sure I can reach the board. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to roll the dice again and check this out. Perfect. I've got the number 3. And so now I'm going to draw a set of 3 triangles on the board here. A set just means group. 1, 2, there is a set of 3 triangles. Now, I'm going to get green, and I'm going to draw a set of, let me write the number 3 underneath it so that we show that this is a set of 3. Perfect. Now, I'm going to write a set of squares over here, but I'm going to make this set of squares 1 more than the set of triangles. So, how many squares am I going to make? The answer is 4. Because 4 is 1 more than 3. Are these two numbers the same? No, this one is more. This is 1 more than this number. Okay, let's erase these. And we'll do this again. Roll the dice. Oh, nope, guess what? I got 2 dice. Let's see what number I get. Ooh, nice. This is the number 9. Number 9. And so I am going to draw 9 circles with black. I need a new red one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I'm going to write the number 9 underneath. Okay, now with blue, I'm going to make one more set of X's. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But now I'm going to do one more. Now I have one more set of X's than circles. And what number would that be? 10. So I'm going to put 10 under there. 10 is one more than 9. By the way, this is your worksheet, isn't it? You should have drawn 9 birds and then 10 worms to have one more than 9. All right. So that's our lesson for today. Let's take a look at the worksheet that you're going to do. On this side, you're going to count the set of objects, set of snails, a set of pterodactyls, a set of squirrels, and a set of pigs. Count how many and put that number in this box. And then for snails, it says draw one leaf for every snail and then one more leaf. And then it says how many leaves, and you're going to put that number here, one more than the set of snails. And then here it says draw one fish for every pterodactyl and one more. And write that number here. Here it says draw one acorn for every squirrel and one more. How many acorns? And then here it says draw one piece of corn for every pig and one more piece of corn. How many pieces of corn? You draw that here. So just like we've been working on today, one more, a set of one more goes in each of these. Now on the back, you're going to need a dice. Hopefully you have a dice in your home. If you don't, what I'm going to do is we're going to do the first part of this together as soon as I explain it. So what you do is you take your dice, you roll it, and whatever number comes up, you're going to write that number of dots in this first box here. So since I got a 2, I would draw 2 dots in here. Then it says draw a set of objects that's one more, a set of anything. You choose what, but it has to be one more than this. And then you're going to write that number here. Okay? Now if you have a dice, you can go ahead and stop the video now, and you can go get your dice and do the back of this worksheet. If you don't have dice, or if you just want me to do it, I'm going to roll the dice right now, and I'll tell you how many dots to put in each of these. Now as I roll the dice, I'm just going to hold it up, show the number, and then you're going to put that number of dice, if you need, number of dots in the square. If you need to, what's the word? Pause, you should pause. Okay, so here for this first square, it's the number 5. 5. Whoa, doesn't focus that good. Too close. Okay, 5 dots goes in this first one. Okay, now for the next one, it's the number 1. For this square here, put a 1 in there. Next one is 4. Put a 4 for this one. And last one, well, I got 5 again. I don't want to do 5, so let's do 3. Put 3 dots in here. Now, to finish this worksheet, you're going to draw a set of something that's more than the 5, more than the 1, more than the 4, 1 more than the 4, 1 more than each of those. Anyway, I can't even remember what the numbers are. And then you'll be done with this worksheet, and you'll be done with math. As long as you did 15 minutes of Zearn, then you'll be ready to go. Okay, that's it for today. I'm going to get these videos uploaded, and hopefully it won't take too much time. And you have a great day of learning. Go have some recess outside. Is it any warmer? Still says 24 degrees. Brr. Anyway, and I will see you tomorrow morning. with another lesson. Adios, amigos.